Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll make a custom MDF stencil. Because of all the machinery we have here and the material availability, we can literally make a stencil out of anything, from stainless steel to titanium, to acrylic, to plywood, to what have you. In this case here it's MDF. Now you might be wondering right off the bat, why do I have all this tape on here? It's because it's actually a reverse stencil. So when we ship this out, we want all the inner parts to stay there, as you can see here. And if we shipped it without the tape on there, it would actually just come out. It might get broken during shipment. And you can see on the back side here, of course, this is all the laser cutting. And what you see in the pattern here, where it's a little bit brighter on some spots, that's actually the grid table. So what happens is while the laser is cutting the MDF, in this case here, it's hitting the grid table, and the grid table gets a little bit hot and just spreads the heat a little bit. And that's why you see those crosshatches in the back. Now the nice thing about stencils is aesthetics absolutely do not matter. I'd say 9 times out of 10. And this is a good, case study as to why you shouldn't really care about the aesthetics of your stencil. So the original spec for this stencil is actually cardboard, and I gave them a free upgrade to MDF just because it's a lot more durable. The cardboard is actually not really good for stenciling if you have to do a lot of them, because it starts to get wet on you and you get a lot of underspray and overspray as a result the more you use it. And you can't really save it for anything because it just sort of dissolves on you. MDF, on the other hand, is on the same family tree as cardboard. It's just one step up. It's basically compressed cardboard from what I could tell. And it's a little bit better, it's a little bit more rigid, it's a little bit more durable for making custom stencils using spray paint. Now if you're using, let's say, water, we've actually made stencils where people use water on sidewalks. MDF is probably not a good choice because, again, it's just like cardboard. So for that application, you want to use something stronger like plywood, or go to metal if you're doing a lot of them. Definitely stainless steel so it doesn't rust on you. Or we can make them out of clear polycarbonate, which is a plastic, or acrylic. Now, with all the different materials available for making custom stencils, what it really helps for our customers is when you tell us what the application is. So if you tell us the application and you send us the design files, generally we know what material is best for that given application. So if you're looking for custom stencils, we make them here in the shop. We ship them right to your door. Contact us at CNCKing.com. We'll make them for you.